Very nice dish called the bún chả. It's like the barbecue pork with the fresh noodle. Or another name, we call it Obama noodle. Yes, and the last one. Ourselves. Yes. One, the price a little bit higher. The smaller one, France. Yes. Vietnamese people is influenced a lot by the Vietnamese eat off to eat and drinking together in the street.
Đâu rồi? Trai nữa à? Thằng chết người đi. Đi đi vào chỗ góc đi.
Tôi cho hai cái tươi và to nhé. Ingredient is a rice powder, but we call it by different name for the different dishes. When you eat phở, you don't use bún, but when you eat bún, you don't use phở. For the person who are in a diet, because when you eat this one, is don't make too much of sugar in your body. Filler, but they have a baby krill inside. Not only the krill religion. And the majority of Vietnamese people believe in Buddhism. We deliver what you wish to the Buddha or your relative, and also the smoked incense deliver back the presents from the Buddha.
Do you feel bad about octopus? They're super smart. Apparently it's pretty mean.
Yes. Heavy range. And because of the weather, so the food in the northern parts of Vietnam will be a little bit salty, spicy, because it can keep the body warm during the winters. Coffee, and you have a deeply understand about our Vietnam.
Xin chào.
Earn. Yeah. And then you continue like this until this part, and then this purple part you better. We use the lemongrass for the barbecue pork solely, not for the spring roll. You do it more, and then you keep to cut it to. It should be smaller to 6 slices. Cả bún chả cả nộm làm một mẻ là đồ ăn. Good. Very good.
What's the best way to
Yeah, it's good. It's good. You can put all three here for me, please. And for the meatballs, we don't use the egg whites because it's here. I don't want to give you exact. We just add a little because it is made from the chicken powders. It is the oyster sauce. And we add the oil later, not now. We do it lastly. It bowl will be melt connected together and make the food better. Now you are going to mix it. We will take the water out and clean it by the fresh water. Here, spend 1 spoon of the sugar like this. You will need 1 spoon of the lime juice. And then level of spicy for the
hạt tiêu chỉ có 3 cái lọ đấy, còn đâu ở ngoài.
a little like this. Later, you can add it by yourself more.
So good.
It's small enough. Can you have to put all three? You know, coriander. 2, 3. And then you put the spring roll in. Because if you put here, it's not even. It can break the rice paper very easy. And you should wait. And you put in this side. This way. Like this way. And then this way. Folding the ingredient to make sure it's not fall up. Folding this side. Like this. And you hear this light. And you continue. Can do it a little bit to here. And then you keep moving. And then you keep moving. And then you will have a piece of spring roll here for fry it later. When you are ready, because it's this time the spring roll still very softened and
That's why you put water in the US
Many holidays. And this one.
They go periodically. This is their favorite restaurant.
strawberry. And now,
We were not expecting to see anything different. You know, we were gonna go.
this one you can add one by one. And the second time,
아, 잠시만.